Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button and be a part of the family. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you what is going on with my hair. My hair is super short right now. Okay, so over the past 3 months, I think it is, I went on a crazy little hair rampage. I didn't know what I wanted to do with my hair. At one point I was growing it out. It got probably like up to here or something like that, and then I decided I wanted to cut it all off again, and change the hair color. So I got tired of the red, so I had color oopsed it. Yeah, I color oopsed it and then took out the red, which left it with like this ugly orangey color. I don't know what the hell it was. And then I had threw a brown on top of that because I originally wanted to go back to a brown color. So I threw a brown on top of that, and I was like 3 days in and I'm like, I don't like this color. Like, I don't know why I keep on dyeing my hair brown. It's my natural color and I cannot stand it. So after that I was like, you know what? I'm gonna bleach it. I want to go very light. I want to go to purple, right? So I went to Sally's and I picked up the bleach, and I'm like, I shouldn't bleach my hair. It's not going to be a good idea. And you know what? I did it anyway. So I bleached my hair completely. I actually bleached it twice. Yeah, I bleached it twice, and then I brought a rose gold color because I saw it in Sally's, and I'm like, I want this color. Like, I want rose gold. So I threw the rose gold on top of that, and I'm like, after a week, I'm like, I don't really like this color anymore. So I went to the beauty supply store because I didn't want to bleach it or dye it again, knowing that I had already bleached it twice and it wasn't in a good state, even though I was conditioning it. So I was like, I'm just gonna get one of those rinses that you put over. So I went to the store and I bought African Violet hair rinse by Adore. And I loved it, and that's I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram. If you do, you probably saw the pictures. If you don't, my Instagram is Makeup Love Life. I'll put it down here, so you could go check out those pictures. I have a few with the African Violet color, which I loved, but it started to wash out after like about a week and a half or so. So then I decided I was going to cut all my hair off because I was like, I want to go back to red. I don't want to go back to brown. I want to go back to red. So I had waited for like a good month or so for it to start like growing out so I could get my roots back in, because the red color that I use is only meant for natural dark hair. So I was waiting for the roots to grow in so I could chop off all that purple and then dye it red again, but on my roots. So that's what's going on here. I had chopped off all that bleached hair. That was about 2 weeks ago, and then I dyed it red again, but now it's growing out, and like you can see, my roots are there. Yeah, but that's why my hair is so short, because I took my clippers, as I usually do. That's how I cut my hair. Took my clippers and I threw on a number 4 attachment. When I usually cut my hair, I use the number 10, but this time I used the number 4 so I could get all that dead hair off and then get that new growth out, and dye that part red. So my hair is healthy right now. It does have the red color on, but it feels great, and I'm taking care of it again. I'm over my hair spree of doing crazy stuff. I'm chilling out for a while. And right now I just have it really low on the sides. I have my cuts. I did do this. I cut my whole hair off 2 weeks ago, but I redid my cuts about a week ago because they grow in so fast. And I like to keep this part shaved pretty down. That's why this is like my natural color and this is red. And the back of my hair, it's already growing in. Like, I have these weird things right here. I hate it, but I shaved that off to make it like a circle shape in the back. So that's starting to grow back in, so I need to cut that part again. But yeah, that's what's going on with my hair, and that's why my hair is so short. So being that my hair is so short, I cannot do my normal hair routine. Setting lotion does not work on my hair when it's this short. It's just too crazy. So I have to go about it on a different routine. So if your hair is ridiculously short like mine's right now, this video is perfect for you, and I'm going to show you how I maintain my hair when it's this length. Okay, so first thing I use is my water bottle. I have a couple questions. People ask me, where did I get this water bottle from? I got this from Amazon. It was about $12, which is pretty high for a water bottle, but I really like it because I do use it on my boys as well. They have long curly hair. And the little spray bottle wasn't doing it for me anymore. Like, I would have to continuously spray and continue spraying. It's so annoying. This one is like a misting bottle. So when you hit the bottle, the little trigger, it just sprays out. It keeps on going. Like, it's crazy. I don't know if you guys could see that. But yeah, I love it. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray my hair with that. I'm not going to get it too wet. And that's it. And then I'm going to take my coconut milk hair milk smoothie for dry, damaged, and color treated hair. And it's by Palmer's coconut oil formula. So it just looks like this. And this is really good. I love it. It's just a hair milk smoothie. That's it. It's basically like a leave-in cream. So I'm just going to shake it up. I use about that much. It probably looks like a lot for my hair, but that's the amount I like to use. I go on the sides first, and then I use it on the top. And I just basically brush down my hair with it on. Now I'm just going to take my brush and comb it down. This is like right here, this area, that's like my cowlick area. That hair never seems to want to go down. So I just try to brush it down. If it doesn't go down, oh well, I'll try to get it with the gel. Next, I'm going to move into my gel. I use the Eco Styler coconut oil gel. I usually use the clear one, the clear Eco Styler, like the clear top. But I saw this one in the store the other day and I wanted to try it because I love everything coconut. So it smells amazing. I love it. Let me just open it. So I'm just going to take, oh Lord, I'm just going to take some of this in my hand. Like that much. I don't know if you guys can see that. Focus. There you go. Like that much. And I'm just going to go rub it on my hand and I'm just going to go all over my head. This is to hold my flyaways because even after my hair dries, I have flyaways that are just sticking up all over the place. And I'm like, how do you get flyaways when your hair is so damn short? But it happens. And I'm just going to take a little bit more and put it on that cowlick area just to get that hair to stay down. Alright, so now that I have it all slicked down, I'm going to take my comb and I'm just going to make my part where I want it, which is right there. There, like that should be good. And I'm going to take a little bit more gel on just my fingertips and just put it along that part to make sure that it stays separated when it dries. Alright. Now with my toothbrush, I'm just going to dip it into my gel. If you haven't seen my other videos, I don't use this toothbrush in my mouth. This is strictly for my hair. So basically I use it for my edges and to create, like, you know, little waves and stuff in the front. So I'm just going to create my little loop things that I love. Like that, and I'm just going to create some on this side. And then for this side, since it is a little longer than the other side, because remember I told you I shaved this side really low, I have a sideburn on this side but not the other one. So I just slick it forward, create a little tiny loop like that. And this side needs to go down. There we go. With your brush, you could go over it again. Make sure the back is completely slicked down. Okay, now that you got it how you want it, just go ahead and throw your scarf on. And that's it. I just wait for it to dry. Usually it takes like half an hour, maybe a little bit more, depending on how much gel I put on that day. So yeah, so I just wait, and then when it's done, I just take off the scarf. I comb through it a little bit with my fingers, not too much because you don't want to make the flyaway stand back up. Mainly on the edges and the back because I don't like that part to look like it's too slicked down. Yeah, so I just comb through it and then it's good to go. So I will show you guys how it looks when it's completely done. Alright dolls, so I am back. I did remove the scarf. As you can see, I did my entire face. I did film a tutorial on this. If you want to see that video, just look for it on my page. It is going to be called my summer sultry look. I already picked out the name because I'm like, this is perfect for a summer night, all romantical, you know. So yeah, back to the hair. Yeah, so I took off my scarf. I did finger comb it like I told you I would, and I did add a little bit more gel, the coconut gel, to my fingertips, and just went along the cross of my hair wherever I saw that the little hairs are starting to stick up, especially on my cowlick, because when I start finger combing it just plops right back up. So I just put a little bit more on there. So I'm just gonna get close so you guys could see it. It's not like you would think if I used the gel it would be hard, but that gel does not get hard like that. Like, it holds your hair but it doesn't get crunchy, so that's why I really like it. Like, I'm going across my hair and it feels so nice and smooth, and plus adding that Palmer's coconut oil leave-in cream that I use, that makes your hair very, very soft, and also for me makes my hair a little bit thicker because I have very thin hair. So for me, it makes my hair a little thicker as well, which I like that. Yeah, so this is just what it looks like. I need to cut my sides again right here because I love those lines right there, and I don't think I'm going to get rid of them for a long time. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. I did gel this down a little bit more than usual because I felt like my hairs are getting longer here, and I feel like I need a cut again. Yeah, but I just gelled it down so it won't be sticking out on top of my ear. I hate that. Yes, let me just turn around so you can see. It's pretty straight in the back. Don't mind down here. I need to cut this again. If you guys enjoy this tutorial and you like this one, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and comment as well. I like reading comments. And if you guys want me to do more hair tutorials, then you can leave that in the comment section as well. Thank you guys. Bye.